Hi, we're going to do a little bit of story time today. I'm going to read you this great book, Naked Morat Gets Dressed by Mo Willems. I'm going to do two videos. The first video, I'm just going to read it to you. And then the second video, I'm going to tell you how you can use this book to learn about rhetoric and argumentation. Naked Morat Gets Dressed by Mo Willems. No shirt, no shoes, service. There is so much to learn about the fascinating little creatures known as naked morats, but for this story, you only need to know three things. One, they are a little bit rat. Two, they are a little bit mole. Three, they're all naked. Well, they were, with one exception. Look! Wilbur, the morat who liked to get dressed. Hello! When the other naked morats saw him, they said, "Eee! Yuck! What are you doing?" "I like clothes," replied Wilbur. "When I get dressed up, I can be fancy, or funny, or cool, or I can just be an astronaut." When the others heard that, they said, "Eee! Yuck! If you like clothes so much, then why don't you open up a store or something, huh?" Naked morats can be very sarcastic. But Wilbur thought that was a great idea. Clothes. Fun. Warmer. Try it. Sail. The other naked morats did not. They brought Wilbur to a giant portrait of Grandpa, the oldest, greatest, and most naked morat ever. "Look at this picture," they demanded. "Look at his heroic face. Look at his regal bearing. Look at his total lack of clothing." Grandpa did look heroic. Grandpa did look regal. But he would also look heroic and regal in a casual shirt and some summer slacks. Said the other naked morats. "Don't you get it?" Naked morats don't wear clothes. "Why not?" asked Wilbur. "Something had to be done." The morats marched right over to Grandpa and told him all about Wilbur. And then he asked, "Why not?" Grandpa was very wise. He thought seriously about everything he had heard. And then he thought some more. Finally, he said in a heroic, regal voice, "Gather the colony! I shall make a proclamation! A proclamation! A proclamation! A proclamation!" When Wilbur heard about Grandpa's proclamation, he knew it was serious. But he had no idea what to wear. In the end, Wilbur decided to play it safe. Maybe not safe enough. The others were so busy looking at Wilbur's socks that no one noticed Grandpa enter until he cleared his throat and proclaimed, "Fellow naked morats, I had never worn clothes until I heard Wilbur's simple question, 'Why not?' Why not indeed? Do clothes hurt anyone? No. Are they fun? Well, they may not be for everyone. But this old naked morat wishes he'd tried getting dressed earlier." Then Grandpa complimented Wilbur on his socks. As fast as he could, as his legs could take him, Wilbur rushed home, put on his favorite outfit, and dashed back. When he returned, Wilbur discovered that he was not alone. Much has been said about that day, but for this story, you only need to know three things. One, some of the Moorites were naked. Two, some of the Moorites were clothed. Three, all of the Moorites had a great time. No exceptions. Clothes. All sizes. Grandpa approved. Why not? Moorite gibberish. The end.